At TrueLine, we're always looking to continuously improve. We're always putting our heads together, collaborating, and saying, hey, how can we make things more lean, more efficient, just easier for everybody around here? Well, you know what? I was talking to the maintenance, shipping, receiving guys, and they said, hey, Matthew, we're having some issues here. We're not really organized in specific areas. He says, can you help us out? So I said, yeah, definitely. We'll come back there. We'll talk about your issue, what's going on, see if we can't come up with a better way of doing things. Continuous improvement, collaborating, and just come up with ideas is the way to get faster and easier. And hey Jeff, so what's the issue back here?
Well, we're having a lot of problems with these paint cans here. As you can see, they're all over the place. I was going to paint the end of a bar here, and this is empty, and I went threw it away. And you can see over here, these ladders are nice and organized, and the brooms are nice and organized, but we have just a mess going on here. So we need an idea of some kind to organize it so we can walk up and just grab the right paint the bar and go, because we just have a lot to do here.
So what do you do with the paint exactly?
Paint the bars so you can tell what they are, and we also paint the barrels, keep everything colored so it's uniform. You can just walk up right away, see a blue barrel, that's A, B, I know where to put my chips, and everything's color coded that way.
Nice and organized, and color coding. The only problem is we've got a mess back there with the cans. I see what you're talking about on the bottom, on the floor there.
Right.
So
yeah, I mean, this is empty. You got the lids here, you got cans laying all over the place. We don't even have all the colors we need here, so you can walk over and then go 50 feet over here to go get another can. And it might be out, I don't even know. So we came up with this idea to get everything off the floor, because you can see here we crack our heads on these when we get off the floor. We're going to put a nice unit up here that'll hold all the cans out of harm's way, and we can just eyeball it, look up there, and see if we have the proper paint or not.
excellent. Safety too, because you're not going to have to bend over, whack your head or anything like that.
Right.
I like it. Let's see what we got next. So what we've come up with is we took PVC, cut it on an angle. I believe it's 3.5-inch PVC, enough to fit the cans in. So we made a PVC backing also, so you're not going to ding the cans on the wall if you had drywall. And Jeff is putting it up right now with some tap cons.
Right, so I'm going to load this up now. So we come in one day, Monday morning, I can just fill it all up and I don't have to even look at it for a whole week then at least. So, and this is a good idea here too. So see, we got the two spots for green, but then this one's already been open, so we have it marked with a line here. So we can grab that and use that one up first before you use the brand new one. And we have everything all color coded.
Nice, I like the visual. You could just look over there, see what you're missing, see what you need to get.
Right.
And you don't even need literally don't need a top for that.
Right, now right, exactly. Now, so see this one right here, even though the top is lost, it's in the black spot here, so I just pull it out, I know it's black. So it's almost foolproof.
That's great. Hey Jeff, just for fun, I went ahead and messed up all the colors, and I want to see how quick you can organize it, just showing how key it is to color code and make things easier for everybody. So go for it.
Okay, you're 1 for 10 here, Matt.
Nice, look at that.
Here we go.
There we go. 10 for 10, Mike.
Bam, that kicks butt. Love it, Jeff. Unbelievable with the color coding.
Yes, I could get my 2-year-old grandson to do that.
Nice job, Jeff. That looks great. So does this make your job any easier?
Oh yeah, this makes our job way easier. We used to have to bend down here and search all over and smack our head on here a couple of times a week. And yeah, this is all nice and organized. I mean, if this is in the wrong one, just look at that. You can just, your eye just sees it, that's wrong. You can just get that straightened out right away. So we are organized, we are ready, we are lean, we are clean. We're all ready for Monday. It's a go.
Nice job, Jeff. I love it.